Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get computer information with PowerShell. So, in this video you will learn how to retrieve detailed system information using PowerShell, and we will use something what we call theme classes. I will show you how to get the basic computer information, how to get the operating system information, and how to get BIOS information, and at the end we will create a combined system report that will contain all of this information. So let's start the video. How to get basic computer information. We have to start with get, and now theme and instance, like this, and we will use win32 and computer system, like this. I will press enter, and now what do we have here? We have the name of our computer, we have primary owner of our computer, we have the domain, we have total physical memory, which is I think in bytes, we have the model, this model is I think our motherboard, and we have the manufacturer of our motherboard, which in that case is not filled. So these are the basic information about your computer. You can filter them, so you can, for example, if you want to print just these last three columns, you can do it by doing something like this. Select object, and now manufacturer, after the comma model, and total physical memory. As you can see, now we are only printing 3 columns. So this is how it works. And now we can move to the operating system informations. In order to print operating system information, you can do it in very similar way. So Get-CimInstance, but in that case win32 and operating system. But in that case, I will straight away go into the filters, because by doing this command, PowerShell displays the serial number or your operating system, which I think should be private. So I will filter this command in a way that I will print all the columns just besides this serial number column. So again, we will use select object. In your case, you can just use it from there. You don't have to filter it. So we will print system directories, system directory, organization, build number, registered user, and the version. And now, these are the informations. By default, as I said before, you have also the serial number right there, but I don't want to show that in the video. So we have the system directory, which is by default Windows System 32, of course. We have the organization, that in that case is empty. We have the build number, registered user, which is the user from there, and we have the version of our operating system. And now, again, how to get now BIOS information. So again, get theme instance, like this, and now win32 and of course win32 and BIOS. And in that case, we also have the same scenario. By default, PowerShell is showing the serial number of BIOS, which should be private. In my case, it is not filled, so I can show it, as you can see. But you can take it to the consideration. So we have the BIOS version, which is P1010. We have the manufacturer of the BIOS, which is American Megatrends. We have the name, and we have the version of the BIOS, which is Alaska, and some number. And now we will combine it, and we will do the, as I said, the combined system report. We will just print everything. So let's clear that, and let's use the first variable, which will be computer. And to the computer variable, we will just set the Get-CimInstance with the win32 and computer system, like this. we will create another variable which will be operating system, and we will set get sim instance win32 operating system, and the last one, which will be BIOS, we will get sim instance which win32 and BIOS, like this. And now we will create a custom object. So PS custom object. We will use add operator. We will open the braces, and now we will add some values. So the manufacturer will be from the computer variable, and it will be manufacturer. Now the model will be the computer model again, so computer and model, like this. Then we will use the RAM in gigabytes, and we will use the math library to round it in the, I would say, more readable way. So we will use math and we will round it. And now we have to specify what do you want to round. So we want to round from the computer, we want to round the total physical memory, and we want to divide it by gigabytes in order to round it to gigabytes, and we will round it to 2 decimal places. I think it should work. Now another line which will be operating system, and it will be operating system and caption. Another line will be version of the operating system, so version, which will be operating system and version. Another line will be, for example, last boot. I think it is not showed by default, so we will print it. So boot, and of course operating system and last boot uptime, like this. And now we will just print the BIOS, which will be the BIOS, and it was CM BIOS version, like this. We will close that, and as you can see, by doing something like this, you can print some information. So we have 16 GB of RAM. This is now more readable. We have the model of our motherboard. We have the operating system, which is the caption, which is, I think, also not shown by default, but you know, I will show you how to check. You can check every option in a second. We have the version, we have last boot, and we have the BIOS version. Now, how to check the how can you check all of the properties from each of the command? You can do something like this. So I think get sim and instance, and now, for example, let's say this win32 computer system, because PowerShell is not showing everything by default. Computer system, and now you can do select object like this, and now you can press tab on your keyboard. So you can select, for example, admin password status, automatic manage profile, and as you can see, you have a lot of options. So you can test it on your own, and you can use it. You can test it with every command. So let's say that we want to test this with BIOS. So BIOS. Again, I will select and object, and as you can see here, you can also press tab on your keyboard, and you can filter everything and print whatever you want to. So this is all in this video. This is how you can get computer information with PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.